This is the fifth in a series of short videos showing how to do the geometric construction assignment in AEDD-105. We're now going to take a look at this middle piece where we have a circle, two straight lines, and we want to connect that circle to those straight lines with a tangent arc. And you notice the sizes are given here. It doesn't matter how far away they are, it doesn't matter what the distances are, but you're going to start with a circle and a straight line. So I'm going to do that by drawing my construction geometry like so. I'm going to draw a circle. It doesn't have to be any particular distance away. It does have to be close enough to geometrically work. So let me just bring it down here. So these are random. That line was randomly drawn. The circle was drawn at a specific radius of 1, but its location is random. I'm going to connect it to the straight line using two arcs that are also given a radius of 1. So zoom in here. First thing I'm going to do is to offset 1 unit and bring that line up here. That means that parallel line indicates the center of an arc that is 1 unit away from there. I'm going to now offset the circle 1 unit. There's the circle right here. And before I get too far along, I'm just going to put those two lines on the object layer so you can see where we're headed with this. So that first circle is an object line. That's an object line. I've offset it so that I have a construction line. And the distance from here to here is exactly 1 inch because I offset it that far. The distance from here to here is exactly 1 inch as well. If I were to draw a line from that intersection to the center of that circle, and from that intersection perpendicular to that line, do the same thing on this side, what I've done is identified my tangent points. So I'm going to have now an arc that goes along, starts right there, makes a transition from that tangency and goes all the way up and stops right here. To draw that, I'll use a construction line with a radius of 1, and it looks like so. Now we draw another construction circle using the center mark right here, has a radius of 1, and then we go from there. Now that both circles are there, we can use the trim command in AutoCAD once again. Pick our object lines, trim the arcs from the object lines, go back into the trim command, pick our two construction arcs, and then clean up the part in between. Once again, we'll go and change the layer of that arc and match it to this one. And now we have our arcs connecting another arc in a straight line.